Good morning and welcome to CrossFit Empower COVID Procedures 2.0. We're just updating you on things that we're changing here to make you a little bit safer in the gym while you train. Let's go take a look. According to the local health authority, the few cases of transmissions that have occurred in Vancouver gyms happen not in the gym, but outside the gym when members were congregating before or after class. So we're going to ask classes waiting to get into the gym to line up at designated stations 6 feet apart from one another, maintaining appropriate social distancing, and waiting until the class before them is finished and exited the gym before they begin to enter. We're also going to ask that the departing classes do not congregate, but spread out after they finish the class. Let's go take a look inside. When the gym is clear, we're going to enter the gym. We're going to put on our masks, and we're going to hand sanitize. We're going to be cleaning our hands when we enter and when we exit the gym, and anytime we're traveling through the gym, we'll have our masks on. Coaches on duty will have their masks on at all times. Now, let's head directly to our station. Each station is marked off with red tape and is fully equipped with all the equipment you're going to need to get through this workout, RX or adapted, depending on how you're approaching it. We ask members to remain in their stations at all times. While you're in your station, you do not have to be wearing your mask, but we ask that when you're training, you're facing away from other members of the gym. So you're facing out toward the windows or the walls at all times. If there's an available piece of equipment that you need that is not at your station and that is not at somebody else's station, you can request a coach to bring it to your station. But at this time, we are asking members not to leave their stations. If you absolutely need to leave your station because you need to use a washroom, though we encourage members to try to use the washrooms at home before or after the gym, because the washroom is a shared space and offers more opportunities for transmission. But if you must leave your station, we ask that you put your mask on and you travel through the clear green space away from all the other stations, so you will not risk contact with other members while using the washroom and returning to your station. Not all stations are created equal. We do have some stations that are larger and better equipped than others. These are the stations that we are reserving and hoping that we can use for couples and families who are willing to share some space and some equipment so household members can safely train and create a little bit more space for other members. The biggest change for all of us will be the fact that group classes are restricted to 7 members only. And that creates some challenges for us and for you as well for accessing classes. So it is more important than ever that if you are registered for the class, that you please show up so that other people are not prevented from attending. If you or anyone in your household has any of the following symptoms: fever or chills, cough, loss of sense of smell, difficulty breathing, sore throat, loss of appetite, extreme fatigue, headache, body aches, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, we ask that you please do not attend the classes. There will be no penalty for late cancellation in these cases. However, we do request that you are 14 days symptom-free before returning to the gym or receive a negative COVID-19 test. Also, if you have traveled outside of BC, we ask that you do Zoom only for 14 days until you are 14 days symptom-free before returning to the gym. Because we can only allow 7 people in the gym at a time, we ask you to coordinate with your time zone cohorts. If you guys are in communication, maybe you can take turns on who attends on which days. And we ask for same household members, if you are coming into the gym to share a space, only have one of you register for the class so that other members can come and attend as well. As before, each station will be equipped with its own cleaning solution of hypochlorous acid, as well as your own hand sanitizer. We ask that, as before, you clean all equipment and your station before and after use. When you spray on the hypochlorous acid, please leave it on and let it air dry, except on the barbells where you can wipe it off to prevent rusting. As before, our double doors and our great big south-facing window wall will be open at all times while the gym is being used. Please realize we are entering the winter months. It will be chilly, and dress accordingly. So be bundled up, bring some gloves, bring a hat, bring a jacket, bring an Aurora heated vest. I'm loving mine. Whatever will keep you warm through your training. We also ask that you keep all your belongings at your station. Please do not leave anything behind. There will be no sharing of things like dry erase markers or chalk. So whatever you need to bring, please bring your own items and take them with you when you depart. We will be ending classes 10 minutes early so that coaches have an opportunity to spray down the gym between classes. So please, when your class is finished, hasten your departure so we can get the gym clear and do some cleaning before we let the next class in. And for the classes waiting outside, please wait to enter the gym until the coach has completed the cleaning process. We know 2020 has been a really challenging year for you and for us. Here at CrossFit Empower, we're doing everything that we can to keep you safe and to keep the gym open so that we can continue training. We appreciate all of your support and all of your cooperation in implementing all of these guidelines to make our community a better, safer, fitter place. Thanks. Let's go get it.